Hello dear traders, you are watching a weekly Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. In our program we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Technical analyst Peter Yakimovic will give us his expert advice. Let's begin our link up today with the outlook for the euro-dollar pair. Hi Peter, the single European currency is gradually falling in value against the US dollar. What scenario do you foresee for the most popular currency pair in the short term?
Hello there traders. Euro versus US dollar trading inside of basically a 2-month rectangle and a horizontal base. It's basically a consolidation base. It's a sideways movement for 2 months. Price is trading in the well-defined boundaries. And on top of that, I found a symmetrical triangle in creation inside of this rectangle. And this is actually a very good sign that this may be a very good launching pattern for this currency pair according to a daily time frame. For now, most recently, I found a 6-day base, horizontal base, and still Euro versus US dollar is trading inside this small base. And my advice to watch for, if you want to trade this, let's say, smaller rectangle, the most recent rectangle, then watch for a potential breakout of the upper boundary. So if you see the value breakout of 1.2400, then you can watch for potential buying opportunities with a target around 1.2535. But if you see that there is no power from buyers to break this 1.24 area, then price may rotate lower inside this trading range and test the low boundary of this around 1.2300. So again, my advice is basically to watch for more buying opportunities because the trend is bullish and you don't want to fight the trend. Price is trading above the 200 simple moving average, and there is also a higher low created in the last 10 days. So we got the higher lows and we got the price trading above 200 simple moving average. So my advice to watch for I give more chance for the bullish breakout, and this is something that you can watch. But for now, Euro versus US dollar is trading sideways, so watch for a breakout to confirm further direction.
The pound sterling has been following the bear trajectory this trading week. So, after a long-lasting rally, the pound-dollar pair is trading downwards today. Could you please comment on this situation?
On the British pound versus US dollar, basically what I found is a rising channel. The price is, according to daily time frame, the price tested the 21 simple moving average, and the Fibonacci of 50%. The Fibonacci retracement 50%, and this is actually a very good support level. Most recently, due to the bad economic releases in Great Britain, we got negative retail sales, and the CPI year on year went actually disappointed the forecasters. So basically, due to this, most recently I found a big selling climax. And since we're still in the bullish trend zone, in my opinion, the smart money will use this two negative news releases to actually potentially unload their buying position. So my advice is to watch for buying opportunities with upward targets, the 1.4365. This is the swing high according to the daily time frame. And if you see the breakout of this level, then the next target will be set at the price of 1.4500. Again, strong bullish trend in this currency pair, most recent climatic action. Watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair.
The US dollar is extending strength across the board. As geopolitical tensions are taking a back seat, investors are now more interested in risky assets. For example, the dollar-yen pair has closed in the green for the second week in a row. Do you think the pair will carry on with the upward trend?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, what I found is basically the inverted head and shoulders formation, and this basically we got confirmation of this head and shoulders formation inverted. And my advice is to watch for buying opportunities and to watch for buying opportunities on the dips, and the target and projected target for this pattern is set the price of 109.40. So watch for buying opportunities due to the inverted head and shoulders formation in the background.
Would you like to discuss another trading instrument?
The British pound versus Japanese yen basically got very similar to the US Japanese yen. What I found according to the daily time frame is inverted head and shoulders formation confirmed. The price is also trading above 200 simple moving average. So we got a strong bullish trend on our back. And this is a very good area and a very good environment to build buying positions in this currency pair. The projected target for this currency pair is at the price of 156.40, and this is also swing high back in the months ago when we made that swing high. So target the 156.40, inverted head and shoulders formation confirmed in the background. Watch for buying opportunities.
Peter, we appreciate your trading recommendations. See you next Friday. You have watched the weekly link up on InstaForex TV channel. This edition was presented by me, Kate Stichina, and Petar Jakimovic, a technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you fat profits and nice weekend.